What's up? Welcome to Tech Select. My name is Linus. In today's video, we are reviewing the Fifine K678 condenser microphone. Now, this is a USB condenser microphone, and we're going to be looking at why even in this very year, this is still a very good microphone for you to purchase. This video is brought to you by Odukar.com. Are you looking for phone accessories, audio, entertainment, creator tools, health and fitness, storage, educational tools? All these and more can easily be found on Odukar.com. Odukar.com now offers same-day and next-day delivery to Mukono, Kampala, and Entebbe areas. Place your order in the morning, receive your item that very same day. Place your order in the afternoon or later the evening and receive it the following day. Remember to use promo code TechSelect for you to get amazing discounts on your purchase. Now, the Fifine K678 USB condenser microphone is an amazing product from Fifine. Now, Fifine has given us so many products over the years that are fairly priced items, and I must say this year is no exception. But the low price should not fool you for this microphone. It is actually an amazing product. Now, kicking off with just the build quality of this here does not feel flimsy in your hands whatsoever. It has an all metallic build that just feels really hard and well built. It's all covered in metal all the way, and then you just get a couple of knobs here and there. At the front here, if you can see this right now, this here at the front, all you get is just a mute button. So this has a light at the top that will light green if if the mic is on, and to light red if it is muted. Very easy feature for if, let's say, you're doing a podcast and maybe you want to cough or something, or you just want to mute the mic so that you can communicate something to someone that is next to you, or even if you're, let's say, live. Next thing is at the back over here, all you get is a microphone knob and of course the headphone output level of volume right there. Now, if you just have a look at that, you have that simply over there, nothing really complex. Flipping the microphone over to the bottom, what you get here is a USB input port. Now, this is what you use to connect it to your computer, and on the other side of that, you have got your headphone or earphone out 3.5mm jack input. In the center, there is a threaded hole. Now, this threaded hole is given to you in case you want to mount it, like if you don't want to mount it on the table and you have the scissor arm or mic stand and you want to mount that on there, all you have to do is put in, screw in the thread adapter at the bottom here and then connect that to whatever arm or pole you are using, to support it. But just looking at this here, now we have a metallic stand on which it stands on the table right there. I like the design. It gives it this nice, elegant feel to it. It feels like something that actually has taken somebody time to design and make, and it just looks really awesome. When you combine the two, it just looks amazing. Now, Fifine, kudos for this really amazing on the product quality. The build quality of it just feels nice. When you hold it in your arm, you feel, this is a quality microphone. Now, of course, when you're buying a microphone, some of the things you want to figure out is how does it connect over to whatever it is you're using, be it a laptop or a computer or a desktop in this particular case. This here does come with a USB cable. Now, this USB cable here is a pretty long cable in this particular case. Let's just see, that's about roughly about 2 meters long. So it's a pretty long cable, so that you're able to plug it in wherever it is you're going. The cable itself feels really premium, so that is something to note in that that you're having a very quality cable. Now, what happens is you just plug this end to the bottom of your microphone, and then this other big side would go into your computer, laptop, or whatever. Now, the advantage of this is this microphone is plug and play, so you don't have to download any drivers or anything of the sort. All you have to do is just plug it in and it is good to go. Open whatever software you use for recording, be it Adobe if it's Adobe Audition, or maybe even free softwares over there, whatever it is you're using to record, be it even let's say you're on Zoom or whatever, it will automatically detect it and you can just go and select it right there. No need for drivers, no need for hassles, just plug it and it is good to go. Now, recently I discovered a new way that you can plug this here into another device. Now, all you can do is plug the USB into a power source and then use the headphone out port in order to connect this. Like, let's say if I wanted to connect this to my phone and I don't have a powered hub, let's say, to power it through USB, I could just plug this here into a power outlet which is releasing the same amount of power that needs, so maybe I plug it into a computer on the side and then use the headphone port and just use a jack to jack pin and connect that to a phone, and still I would be having awesome output from this microphone. Now we're going to go over to the table. I give you a sound test on what this microphone does sound like, because right now I'm using a lavalier mic, and we're going to be switching over to a quick sound test of what this microphone in particular does sound like.
The video you're about to watch is recorded on a very poor quality smartphone. Bear with us with the picture, and I just do hope you follow up with the message. Alright, so as you can see, I am talking to this microphone as close as possible as I can, to the side of the microphone. Now this is the side of the mic that has, that green dot over there. So this would be the front side of the microphone, and this is the kind of audio you do expect to pick from this microphone. Now remember, with the whole thing about these condenser microphones is they do have a cardioid pattern which they pick sound from. So this one in particular, the best place for you to pick audio is when you're looking straight at it. Now if we turn this, as you can see, now I'm holding the mic just straight to me, more like a handheld kind of microphone. The audio quality does tend to drop. Now if I turn it all the way, now we are on the opposite side, as you can see by the two knobs there. That is the headphone and microphone volume and knob. So here we're talking to the back side of the microphone. So let's just turn this back. That is back side, that is the top of the microphone, that is the top, that is the top, and then finally to the talking position. I can as well do the same test by talking to one side of the microphone, the main side. So this is the main side, and then let's twist this microphone 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So then we're at the back. Now remember, I'm not changing I'm not changing my tone, I'm not changing how loud I'm talking, it's just the same thing. So this would be 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. And I guess you do tell the difference between talking to the front side of the microphone and the back side.
Now looking at that sound test, what we get to notice is the pattern of the microphone here is it's more sensitive when you're speaking direct to it from the front. So when you spin it over to the back side, you just end up picking like outer noises and something like that, which is not really very clear. The clearest is when you're speaking right at this point right here. So you don't want to have it maybe facing upward like this. You wouldn't get the best out of it. Or you don't want to be looking at this side where the microphone and volume where the mic and earphone volume knobs are. Still you won't be getting good sound. What you need to do is this side here that has the mute button. In this case, once it's plugged in, it would have a green light. So always make sure the green light is facing you, so you'd have it looking like that. Now when you talk into the microphone, when it's like this, you definitely get amazing audio out of this microphone. Now a big thank you to Odukar.com for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for a condenser microphone like this one, Odukar.com does have a version of Fifine condenser microphone listed up on their website. So that is www.odukar.com. Go right now, shop, use the promo code TechSelect for you to get amazing discount on your purchase. Thank you so much for catching this video. My name is Linus. It's been really awesome. Thank you to all of you that have actually taken time to subscribe to this channel. I am highly humbled by that. Those that are just logged on for the very first time, go ahead, click subscription and notification bell so that you are alerted each time a new video does pop up on this here channel. But for now, I shall see you in the next video. Adios.